of tension from the fist to the shoulders, and a wave of relaxation from the shoulders to the fist. Now change the direction. So now the tension starts at the shoulder and goes to the fist. So tense up your shoulders, bicep, triceps, elbows, wrists, fists, and fingers. Relax the fingers, relax the hands, the wrists, the elbows, and the shoulders. So now there's a wave of tension coming up and a wave of relaxation coming, a wave of tension coming down, a wave of relaxation coming up. So try that. Tense up your shoulders, or not tense to make them strong. Bicep, triceps, elbows, forearms, fists, wrists, fingers. And then relax fingers, wrists, forearms, elbows, shoulders. And try different positions, maybe beside you. So tense up your shoulders, bicep, triceps, elbows, fists, fingers. And then relax fingers, fists, forearms, elbows, shoulders. Okay, come a little bit closer, guys, so I can explain this to you. So watch this. Watch. So I'll explain to you with Jason, okay? So you can see some of the martial art application. You can see it. So if Jason grabs me by the wrist, okay, sometimes when he grabbed me, that's where everything started. And then tension came up. So until he touched me, my arm was fine. Then he touched me, and that part is what became tense, and it came up, okay? Now, if I tense up this way, right? If the tension or the wave comes up, I bring Jason towards me. You see what happens? Because that's how it is. If at that moment he grabbed me, I relax him, I move him away from me. It's so subtle right now. We're talking about, if you understand, remember, the main goal of Systema is when people come is to relax them. So you see a lot of this, breathe and relax, get rid of tension. But then once, I don't know when it happens, a year, 2 years, some people never, some people right away, there's no timeline. When you start to understand that you can tense yourself and relax under your command, you now have a valuable tool, okay? So this is a big mistake in Systema where, we get rid of tension. You get rid of tension that's out of your control. You keep tension that is in your control. So when Jason grabs me, I can choose to bring the tension up if I want to bring him close because I want to hit him or work with him. Or when he grabs me, I can choose to relax and move him away from me. So I can allow the relaxation to move him, or I can allow my tension to bring him towards me, depending what I want to do. Now, maybe this will freak some of you out, but that's the work that I do. It happens on all levels. If Jason grabs my shoulder, somebody puts a shoulder, I can give support, and tension can come down my arm, or relaxation can come across my shoulder. It's up to my decision. So right now, as you're doing these drills where you're tensing up your arm, understand that you'll be bringing a person closer. And when you relax your arm, you can move them a little bit away for yourself, okay? Here's an example of what usually happens to new students. Somebody grabs them, double arm. They're scared and they're tense, so they bring the person towards them. So they bring what they fear towards them, right? That's exactly what happened. But if at that moment you can relax yourself, it'll go that way. It won't come on top of you, right? So do this for 1 more minute now and have that visual in your head. Try to imagine when somebody grabs your arm, if you're tense, relax it out. Or if you want to bring them, bring the wave of tension towards you. Or you can